Let's take a look at solving measurement conversions with proportions. Looking at this problem that has the 320 on it, it says Taylor bought 9.5 yards of satin ribbon for a project. How many inches of ribbon did Taylor buy? So we know how many yards of ribbon he has, and we want to know how many inches of ribbon he has. If we look at our measurement charts here, there is no direct path to get from yards to inches. So we're going to have to convert yards to feet, and then we're going to have to take our feet and convert them to inches. So originally our problem wants us to go from yards to inches. But in order to make that happen, again, we have to go from yards to feet and then to inches. So that's going to involve us setting up two proportions. The first proportion, let's just use the information that was given to us. We know that we have 9.5 yards of ribbon, and we also know that we have to convert those yards into feet. We don't quite know how many feet we have. That's what we're going to solve for. When we are setting up proportions with these measurement conversions, you will always be given one entire ratio. The ratio that's given to you is going to come off the reference chart. So we know we're dealing with yards and feet. So if we look at our chart here, we know that 1 yard, sorry, you can't see that, 1 yard is 3 feet. So 1 yard is 3 feet. And I was just using my labels to place those on there. At this point, we just got to find a scale factor. To get from 1 to 3, we just have to multiply by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. If we multiply down by 3 on the right, we will have to multiply down by 3 on the left. When we do 9.5 times 3, we do get 28.5. So there are 28.5 feet and 9.5 yards. With this information, we're done with the yards. Now we're going to go feet to inches. So I'm going to write my labels, feet and inches. From the proportion above, I know that I have 28.5 feet. I'm trying to figure out how many inches that is. I'm going to put an equal sign and get ready to set up my second ratio. Now this second ratio is the ratio I'm going to grab off of the reference materials. I know that I'm dealing with feet and inches. So I'm going to look at the chart. I see that 1 foot is 12 inches. With that information, I'm going to put 1 foot, 12 inches. The scale factor here is from 1 to 12. We have to multiply by 12, so we have to do 28.5 times 12. When we work that math out, we will get 342 inches, and that will be our answer.